I've got a can of the flaky biscuits. Each of those biscuits I've split in half, and I've got these cubed pieces of pepper jack cheese. Just go ahead and just roll them into little balls. Got this last biscuit with the pepper jack cheese cube inside. We're gonna use a casserole dish for this. Just go ahead and just arrange these in a circle all the way around. See, 16 fit perfectly. To that, we're adding 1 can of Nacho cheese. I'm gonna put that right in the center of our casserole. To that, we're gonna be adding 1 whole 8-ounce block of cream cheese. That goes right in the middle. We're adding some chopped garlic to this, just 1 healthy spoonful. Just put that right in the middle of that cream cheese. Add a little bit more. And then we have some pickled jalapenos that I've already chopped up. That's gonna go all the way around on top of that nacho cheese. You think it's called nacho cheese because it's not your cheese? Like, you know, it's my cheese, it's nacho cheese. And then we're adding some crumbled real bacon. Just goes right on the middle like that as well. And then this is gonna go into a 350-degree oven for about like 10-15 minutes just to warm up that cheese. Everything's warm, but the biscuits aren't quite done yet. We're just gonna go ahead and mix this all together. All we wanted to do was soften that cream cheese. That cream cheese really does kind of add like a sour cream, lightens it up a bit. It's so good. I've got a stick of butter and a packet of taco seasoning. I'm just gonna add that together. A quick stir, and then pour this all over the biscuits. This is gonna be so good, guys. I'm gonna top everything with 2 cups of Fiesta blend cheese. Just in the middle like that. Spread that around. And then I have 1 sliced jalapeno. We're gonna go ahead and just add these right on top. Just like that. Anybody didn't know that this was a spicy dip, they would know now. These 2 little ones right in the middle. And then this goes right back into the oven, 350 for about 20 minutes. Wow, take a look at how this turned out. Those stuffed biscuits have kind of risen to the top. I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of these. So pretty, and it's gonna be such a crowd pleaser. Go ahead and grab that cheesy biscuit, and just gonna dig in here to where all the good dip is. Look at that. Oh, look at that cheese pull. Okay, put all of that on there. And then oh, yeah, perfect game day dip. Plus it comes with the bread. And the bread is stuffed with pepper jack. It's so good. You should make some.